Okay, nice to meet you. Which part are you in India? I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Of course. Okay, of course, definitely I know I J Odisha people, then definitely I know Paradeep. Then are you born and raised in Delhi or are you from different state within India? Okay, due to your professional life, right? Wow, you are doing earning and learning, right? Right. Yeah, that's why learning has no full stop. Learning has no destination. It is a journey, right? I'm not a student. I'm not an employee like you. I am unemployed. बेकार हूँ. Thanks for your appreciating me and thanks for your advice. Definitely, you are right. And failure is a stepping stone of success, right? Thank you so much. Thanks your guidance. Thanks your advice. Thanks your cooperating me. Thanks your pardon. Go ahead. I told you I have completed my graduation. I have completed my graduation. I completed my graduation BSc. After that, I have completed LLB as well. But I don't have any license to practice. Mhm. How can you consider I am a very educated person? Tell me. Mhm. Yeah. Without communication, we cannot evaluate anyone, right? Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, but sometime newspaper blockage your mind. You cannot decide what is a next incident, right? Newspaper, we consider whatever written in newspaper, it is a truth, and we never observe and we never think about different way, right? That's why we read newspaper to know about incident and how it's going on everything, right? But we have to think also positive and negative. It is true or not, right? That's why police are investigator, but lawyer are they advocate. They always try to provide justice to client, right? Of course, I agree. I also believe whatever it has written on newspaper, I'm not telling that is a fake news. 50% correct and 50% colorful, right? They imagine and they have written, right? But if you, that's why it will take time to provide justice to the needy people. Take, right. Yeah, yeah. I know about it. I know about it because I also believe in news. I always watch news channel and I also read newspaper daily. Then I know about it. Yeah. Okay. Maybe network issue. I'm facing network issue. Did you finish your lunch? I have been suffering from network issue. I am facing network issue. Wow. Then do you follow nutrition? What type of food do you take? Only salad? Okay. Then you are health conscious person. You always focus your health, right?